This week I was down at the Gwili Steam Railway to witness the magnificent return to service of Hallwin, the powerful Hunslet Austerity 060 saddle tank, works number 5272. This iconic locomotive was originally withdrawn from traffic at the Gwili Steam Railway in 2016, with her extensive overhaul beginning in 2019. For those unfamiliar with her history, Hallwin was constructed by Vulcan Foundry in 1945, initially serving the Longmoor Military Railway, where she was referred to as Insane, before being transferred to the Woolmer Institutional Railway. In 1959, the Army sold her to Hunslet, who then rebuilt her and renumbered her as number 3879 in 1961. She was subsequently sold to the National Coal Board, working at the Cambrian Colliery and later at Mountain Ash. In 1981, Hallwin was placed on loan with the Caerphilly Railway Society, who later purchased her. Her name, Hallwin, beautifully translates from Welsh to mean white sunlight, bright sunlight, or bright star, and was given in honour of the Mountain Ash Colliery's manager's granddaughter. Hallwin has always been a solid performer at the Gwili Railway, and on July 2nd, 2025, she made her triumphant return to service. Huge credit goes to the dedicated team for their incredible work bringing her back to life. She truly looks and sounds incredible, and looks striking in her new gleaming livery, including those white and black wasp stripes, which are actually prototypical for what she wore while in the NCB service at Mountain Ash. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the footage I managed to get of her while she was in service on her first day back. I hope you enjoyed this footage of Hallwin in action on her first day of service on July 2nd. I can't wait to see her again. She will be in action now at the Gwili Railway, so do pop down to the railway if you're interested in seeing her in service and riding behind her. If you're keen to see more videos like this, then please do subscribe to the channel, and if you have any thoughts or memories about Hallwin and the Gwili Railway, please do leave a comment below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hwyl fawr.